In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into the Nordstrom Employee Portal using the Okta login guide. Whether you're a seasoned employee or new to the team, these step-by-step instructions will guide you through the process seamlessly. To begin, you'll need to open your preferred internet browser. Once it's up and running, head to the address bar and type in the URL nordstromokta.com. This specific link takes you directly to the official Nordstrom employee login page. It's crucial to use this exact URL to ensure you're on the correct portal for logging in securely. As you arrive on the login page, you'll be prompted to enter your Nordstrom employee credentials. This requires your unique username or email address associated with your employee account. Go ahead and type that in. Immediately following, enter your password. Make sure to double check your entries for accuracy to avoid any login errors. Now, in the event that multi-factor authentication or MFA is enabled for your account, Okta will send you a verification code. This code could be delivered through a variety of channels such as SMS, email, or via the Okta Verify app, depending on the options available to you upon setup. Retrieve the verification code from whichever method was used and enter it into the specified field. This extra step is a safeguard to confirm your identity and secure your account further. Once you've successfully entered all required information and completed any necessary verification steps, you should be automatically redirected to the Nordstrom employee dashboard. On this dashboard, you'll have the ability to access a wide array of features tailored for Nordstrom employees. You can view and adjust your work schedules, manage payroll and benefits information, and navigate through various company tools and resources needed for your job. However, if you encounter any issues during the login process, there are a few troubleshooting options to help you resolve them swiftly. In case you've forgotten your password, you'll notice the Need Help Signing In option. Clicking on this will present you with the Forgot Password option, which is where you can begin resetting your password by following the on-screen instructions. If your account happens to be locked for any reason, it's best to reach out directly to Nordstrom HR or their IT help desk for further assistance and to regain access. And there you have it. Just like that, you've successfully logged into the Nordstrom Employee Portal through Okta. It's always a great idea to familiarize yourself with this process, especially since it's an important aspect of staying connected with your work resources.